Want to learn how to easily organize your clothes? Just keep watching. Bins and containers are my very best friends when it comes to organizing smaller items such as my socks. You'll notice I have my socks filed away in an upright position. This allows me to maximize the space in my tiny container. If you have room to fit more containers, I highly recommend you add them and use them for other items such as undergarment. Just like my socks, I fold my shorts in a way where I can file them in an upright position. I like to store my more frequently used items up front for more easier access. Here you'll see my long pants, and on my bottom drawer, I have my workout pants, some sweats, and my jammies. At the end of my video, I will demonstrate the different folding techniques I use for each of these items. Here you'll see all my tops. I have them showcased in a way where I can easily see them so I can pick out what I want to wear for the day. This technique saves so much space that I even have a drawer for my bulky items such as my sweaters. These sweaters just take up way too much space in my closet, so this is a nice home for them. Organizing your clothes can be very easy. All you need is a little patience and some folding tips that I'm going to share with you right now. First up are the socks. Here you'll see that I have them inserted one into the other. How did I do that? Just slide one on like a sock puppet and then grab the other side and slide it right over. Once you have that over, pinch the tip and pull your hand out. And there you have it. Socks, flat and easy to store. Next, I have my top. For an example, I am using one of my tank tops. What you want to do is open up your item onto a flat surface. Next, you want to fold down and fold your top right in half. Readjust it so that everything is laying as flat as possible. Fold it over one more time and then into thirds. And there you go, easy to store. Next up, I have a regular t-shirt. Now, everybody knows how to fold a regular t-shirt, or at least I will hope so. To start off, you want to fold this t-shirt the traditional way by folding in the sides and then folding it in half. Here you can see that this looks like a normal folded up t-shirt. All you have to do is fold them into thirds. Ta-da! Now my long pants. Here I have one of my pair of jeans. I fold them in half, making sure that my button and zipper are on the inside. You're going to fold it in half, making sure to leave just a little bit of space on top. Also be sure that the tapered part will be on the inner part of the fold. And just like the t-shirt, you're going to fold them into thirds. Easy peasy. Last but not least is my shorts. By far the easiest one to fold. Again, you're going to fold in half, making sure the button and zipper are on the inside. Line them up and fold it over one last time. And there you have it. All the different ways to fold your clothes to fit compactly in your drawers. I hope that my video taught you something or inspired you in some shape or form. Please stay tuned for more videos as I share how I organize other things around my house.